tutorials video, and I have a mess I need to clean. The nice thing about ceramic is that a little bit of water and a little bit of paper towel goes a long way to clean it. So it's hard to do this one-handed. Let's try. Go in, yeah, yes. Okay, so there we go. But one of the things I do when I'm very lazy, I don't even stand up and go to the water tap. How do you say lavandino in English? The sink. Okay, I just simply spray it with water and use tissue paper I used for mopping up the water of my brush, and I simply, let's do this one-handed and destroy everything. First we move the water-soluble drawing somewhere else, like on my clothes, and yeah, that's, of course, we're close to the laptop because you're always going to use water near an electric device. Oh my god, I'm going to hell. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And I'm not a lefty, so this is going to be problematic. Very problematic. But you see how easy it is to clean ceramic. And especially from watercolors. Now, if you wanted to put, I don't know, a cooked chicken on it and stain it with grease and whatever, it's going to be a little bit harder to clean, but like this, you can see, oops, here, there's the border a little bit dirty, but, oops, too close? Yeah, sorry dear. Okay, but it's clean, squeaky clean, and this brand is not particularly staining, so it's easier to clean, but also other brands that have more staining colors are pretty easy to clean from ceramic too, so yay for ceramic! Okay, now I really need to go clean that water because it's like swamp water. There's the monster side. Oh, I don't want to, I'm so tired. Small sponge update. I did not move it, my flatmate did not move it, and it's not there anymore. I have ghosts in my house. Okay, but no, really, what I wanted to show you is this ugly thing, and I really wanted to ask if I'm the only one who does bad art on purpose. I mean, it's just for fun, because I want to, I don't know, stretch my art legs a little bit, and I do actually have to put some effort in this kind of pieces, because I'm a perfectionist. I like my perfect lines, I like my on point coloring, I like my perfect color palette, and instead this kind of pictures just I really have to concentrate to make them turn bad, because and on this one you can kind of see that the perspective for the feet of the pig is actually accurate, which is something I did not want. I really tried to get the face to be as I don't know, cubistic as possible, and I messed up on the legs because they do look they look fine, which they're not supposed to. Also, I tried to choose not the worst colors as possible, but two colors that were supposed to mix, and I did not mix them, and then I went in still wet with the blue, so I tried to make a mess of things, and somehow I'm talking about You Damn Blossom. Even though I tried to color them badly, choose a bad color palette, somehow some of the pieces I do still have problems with in turning them bad. So I'm probably going to elaborate on this in another video, but the question is there. Do you make bad art on purpose? And what is that purpose? For me, it's because it's fun, and it's because I'm trying to see art, I guess, from a different point of view. And yeah, that's basically it for me. Oh my god, this is so ugly. This is not going to be in my sketchbook. No, you're going like in the hidden sketchbook where I put all my failures. But I really do like how this turned out, and I'm not supposed to like it. Oh, why is it? Oh, come on. Okay, let's just go back to something more interesting, like YouTube. Or, I don't know, the latest season of Hawaii Five-0. I have recently started watching it, and yay, I'm catching up on episodes, and I still have a long way to go, but I'm hopeful I will finish it before, I don't know, June or something like that. I will keep you posted. Hello! So if you have seen my IKEA frame video, you know that I was baking cookies. This is the cookie. Okay, so I'm waiting because it's still hot and I don't want to burn myself, but I wanted to share the recipe with you because it's like the easiest thing ever, and it's vegan, so you can eat as many as you want and not feel bad. There are calories in it though. I did a quick count once, and it's basically the same amount of calories that a normal factory-made cookie would have, so you're not actually eating less calories, you're just eating a little bit healthier, but yeah, it still has calories because it has, I call it the 3 glasses recipe. Sorry, the 3 glasses cookies, and they have 1 glass of sugar, normal sugar, you don't need to go with the brown one, 1 cup or 1 glass of white wine. Doesn't need to be the expensive one, you can just like buy the crappiest one you can find in your supermarket and it's fine. And 1 glass of olive oil, and please, if you can find extra virgin olive oil. I'm asking this only because I'm Italian and I do love my extra virgin, but olive oil, that's fine. And then you put all these 3 things together in 1 mixing bowl, you start mixing and you start adding flour, the one for bread, for pizza. You do not need the 0 one, just a simple 0 one. And then you stir, mix, and you kind of end up having, like, it looks like pizza dough, but it's a little bit more oily, and it's sweet. You can, sorry, do the shape you want. This is the one I prefer. I just make 1 long sausage, and then I wrap it up to give this, my mother called them, I am sorry for what I'm going to say, but little shits, and they do kind of remind me of them, so she was not exactly wrong, but you know what, I don't care, I like my little shits. Okay, sorry, but seriously, if you have the ingredients, which are pretty easy to find, these are good. These are really good. They're a bit dry, so if you want to dump them in milk, be my guest. I don't like milk, and I do actually like the fact that they're dry. But yeah, wanted to show you what I made. I don't make only watercolors, I make little sheets. Okay, I'm sorry, but seriously. Oh yes, almost ready to eat. I'm so happy about this.